This video will contain two Aesop fables. The first is the ant and the dove. The dove saw an ant fall into a stream. The poor ant struggled to move through the water to reach the bank, but all his attempts failed. The dove felt sorry for the ant, and she dropped a blade of grass close beside it. The ant was able to grab onto and cling to the blade of grass, and he floated safely to shore. Soon after, the ant saw a man getting ready to kill the dove with a stone. But just as the man cast the stone, the ant stung him on the heel. The pain caused the man to miss his aim, and the dove flew to safety. And the moral of this story is, a kindness is never wasted. So we have to be kind to others, and sometimes, then they'll pass that kindness along. The next story, Aesop fable, is Two Stubborn Goats. See the picture there? There were once two goats who were each walking on opposite rocky sides of a mountain valley. It happened that a large tree had fallen, forming a bridge between the two sides. Far beneath this bridge there flowed a wild river. Now the two goats each started to cross the bridge and look up and saw each other. The trunk of the tree was large, but not large enough for one animal to pass another safely. One goat would have to wait for the other to cross. And do you think one goat would back up and allow the other to pass? No. These goats were both too stubborn. One goat set his foot on the log. The other did also. Each kept walking until they met in the middle, horn to horn. Neither would back up nor step aside. Instead, they locked horns and pushed at each other, and both fell down, down, down into the river below. The moral of this story is, it's better to step aside than to stubbornly step into disaster. Sometimes we don't want to do something or give in or share toys or whatever. But then sometimes, if you're fighting over a toy, the toy could get broken and no one would get to play.